Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for everything Charleston. I'm Ashley Meservey. We're coming to you from South Bay at Mount Pleasant, a continuing care community that offers residents the luxury retirement experience. Joining me now, Denise Devaney here at South Bay at Mount Pleasant, correct?
That is correct.
Okay, first off, let's talk about your community here and its upscale luxury.
Absolutely. It's a continuing care retirement community, but upscale senior luxury living. So it's going to be one of a kind in Mount Pleasant. We are really excited about everything we have going on here. We are underway with construction, planning on opening in September of this year. And we have a wellness center that is state-of-the-art, spa, wellness director, all the state-of-the-art equipment, Kaiser hydraulic equipment.
Wow.
It's going to be really exciting.
So basically you have everything here. It's all inclusive, correct?
It is, absolutely. The residents can enjoy all of the amenities, services, dining, and so it's like a luxury resort for seniors.
And seniors, the age for a senior is?
Well, for our community, 62 and over, but we're not going to turn down a 61 or 60-year-old either.
34-year-old?
So, exactly.
Okay, let's talk about the levels of care that you have.
So since we are a continuing care retirement community, we start with 143 independent apartments are being built right now. Those will open in September, and then we'll have a full health care center as well. Shem Creek Health Care Center. So we'll have 54 assisted living apartments, 24 memory care apartments, and then a full skilled nursing and rehab center as well. We'll be skilled for 40 beds in our healthcare center.
Okay, and we're in one of your model homes.
We are in our Coleman model.
Okay.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and so it's kind of the middle of the road as far as size.
Okay.
This is about 1,200 square feet, but we go as large as almost 1,800 square feet with our 2-bedroom apartments.
I mean, you really don't even have to leave here. I mean, if you think about it. Let's talk about the food, because you know Charleston's big draw with the culinary experience. What can they expect as far as food goes?
Absolutely. Well, you can see we have full kitchens in all of our independent apartments, full-size appliances, all nice stainless steel, brand new, granite kitchen. But for those that don't feel like cooking, we are going to have 3 full restaurant options in the community. So 3 different dining venues that residents will have to choose from. We will have our formal or fine dining experience is going to be Sullivan's Grill. And that will be the dining venue that most of our residents will choose for their dinner option.
Okay.
So dinner entrees, they can have a glass of wine or a cocktail with their dinner. We will have Patriots Pub, which is a full bar. We have a liquor license, and that will, come on over and join me. So full liquor license, so they can go in there for their happy hours or socializing that they'll do with their new friends at South Bay, and have small plates, appetizers, even a sandwich if they'd like to.
Wow.
Our 3rd dining venue is Sweetgrass Market.
Okay.
Yes, and that is more casual. So that's a perfect lunch option for salads and soups, sandwiches, and wrap.
Well, as far as cost goes, how much is there an upfront payment that they need to make?
Actually, no. With our community, South Bay is all rental. So it's a 1-year, actually 13-month lease agreement. So there's no upfront buy-in, no entrance fee.
That makes
the
it different.
beauty.
Yeah,
it does.
that's great.
It does. That's the beauty of it. So for age range, we can appeal to those that are 62 all the way to 92 and are still active and independent. They don't have to put down that big lump sum. So for our 1-bedrooms, our smallest apartment is around 700 square feet. They range anywhere from 4,500 up to our largest, which is around 6,500.
Well, thank you so much for having me. And of course, for more information on South Bay at Mount Pleasant, you can visit their website at southbayatmountpleasant.com.